morning everyone. So today is the third day of Raya and it is the fourth episode of my Eat with Ain series, and I haven't even edited yesterday's vlog because I fell asleep. Let's just hope today's vlog will be better than yesterday, because yesterday I just spent the whole day watching YouTube and that is not interesting, guys. This guy is here again.
Hello.
Oh, and he's wearing his
Bazinga. Big Bang Theory.
Big Bang Theory t-shirt. And it's customized, right?
Yep, it is.
Penny,
Howard,
Sheldon, Raj and Leonard.
Kutapalli, and
which one is your favorite?
this one.
Sheldon.
Sheldon Cooper.
Cooper?
Sheldon
Sheldon Cooper.
Bro.
My favorite.
Is...
Guess.
Ding 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 ding.
What are you doing?
Enjoying the fresh air. Oh, tak tutup lampu.
That's her room right there. So we're going to Tutti Frutti because we didn't get to eat our Tutti Frutti
That's nice.
yesterday. So I hope I hope today Tutti Frutti won't be closed like yesterday, because then I will be so sad.
Hey girls.
Hey,
Girls? Why do you
Hey
have
girls.
to mention girls?
Nina, right?
So awkward.
Bro, salah tingkap ke?
Hey bro. Eh?
Hi.
He's not old enough to drive, guys, so he is not driving. He can't even get the
Handbrake.
the handbrake down.
Oh my god.
Ipan, stop it, don't. You are so grumpy, child. Tutti Frutti is still closed. Nina, how do you feel? We're at Jaya Grocer now. We're going to buy some snacks, I guess, because Tutti Frutti is closed again. We're going to try to go to another Tutti Frutti later.
Hi.
Look at Nina's hand. She's playing with makeup.
I'm learning, okay?
Yeah, she's learning to do makeup from me, of course.
Yes.
Budget.
Okay.
But this from a drugstore doesn't have Revlon, and I'm looking for Revlon. But they only have Silky Girl and Maybelline, so that's a bummer.
Yeah.
Maybe it's Maybelline. Guys, look at what we found. It's the Action Fruit Cream Oreo. I've never seen this anywhere before. Wanna try it? Or maybe we can take this one. I don't know. What's
See
inside?
what's inside. Strawberry and ice cream blueberry. That's two.
Oh, and it's pink and purple. Let's get this one. So we are at Jaya Grocer and we're just looking around, and let's get the tongue cleaner here. Here.
This is mine. This one, the blue one. Yep. Yeah, it is.
This is the one that I gave to you before you went to Australia. This one? This one? No.
Nope.
I'm gonna get this one because it's pink.
Okay.
And this one is the one that I used before. And it broke.
Look, my bandage.
Let me hold it. You don't know how to hold the camera. You don't know how to vlog. Look at what we found.
Holy crap.
And it's pink and purple. Ice cream, blueberry, and a strawberry. You don't know which one to get.
What about peanut butter?
Peanut butter?
Popcorn tom yum. Are you freaking kidding?
Popcorn.
Pop.
Itu sedap.
No,
I've never seen it.
It's so weird. I don't know. I've never tried it, but it
Tongaded is supposed to be
sounds
nice.
weird. Popcorn and tom yum don't go well together.
Flavor.
No, please don't get the tom yum flavor, please.
But it looks interesting, you know?
Yeah.
It looks weird, guys. Doesn't
It
look
could be
interesting.
really
Okay, fine. If you want to try it, why not?
Should we get it?
Just get it. Just get it.
Wait, are we going to Tutti Frutti or no?
I want to.
No, chocolate.
She is still confused which one to get. Hazelnut? Peanut butter? Hazelnut? Peanut butter?
Hazelnut peanut butter? Hazelnut peanut butter? Oh,
You don't know which one to get.
yeah.
What are you doing, Lovey?
Chicken wings.
Expert on chickens.
Yes.
Are you cooking? Are
Sorry?
you cooking tonight?
Nope. I'm helping.
Helping who?
Abang will be cooking tonight.
He will be cooking. Show them what we have here. We have chickens. We have vanilla ice cream and peanut butter for our milkshake.
Yep.
So we're getting this peanut butter and cocoa crunch time.
Yeah, nah.
And then we have Arizona. Where's my Arizona? Oh. Mine is green tea, Arizona, and then ginger beer,
Peanut butter.
Oreo, and oh, and I got this vanilla mint yogurt smoothie candy. So that's about it. Guys, this is the worst surau I have ever been to. I know that's not good, but seriously, I just finished my Maghrib prayer because I didn't know that we are going to be here for a long time, so I didn't bring my telecom. Okay, maybe I half expected it to be dirty, but I didn't think that it will smell like crap. But yeah, the telecoms are all so dirty and they all smell like crap, and the whole surau smells like crap. And so, but I didn't have any choice, so I just performed my Maghrib prayer, and the worst experience ever. Next time I have to remind myself to bring my own telecom everywhere I go. So yeah, so now my sister and I are waiting for the boys to finish their prayer. So in the meantime, I'm going to eat this green tea ice cream that I bought just now, and my sister got her, what's this, Memphis
Meltdown.
Big Chocolate brownie, and that looks nice.
And it's tip-top brand. It's from New Zealand.
New Zealand?
Yep.
Oh. Mine is from Japan, duh. I think.
That looks so...
Oh yeah, product of Japan. Focus. Guys, I swear this is the best ice cream that I have ever tried in my whole entire life. In my whole 23 years of life, this is the best ice cream ever. I think the boys are done. Hey guys, I just got home from Jaya Grocer and we dropped by Domino's to buy some pizzas for our dinner, and we are all, my brother, my siblings and I, we are cooking some buffalo wings or some type of chicken. I don't know what it's called. I haven't eaten my dinner yet and they are all calling me downstairs, so I'm going to go to eat my dinner now. I'm so starving, guys. My cat! Ginger! Ginger! got pizzas.
Pizza party.
Ginger beer.
You forgot the most important ingredient for our milkshake.
What?
Milk.
Milk. It ain't got no milk.
Mom, let's bring all the boys over here.
Ni,
Why are you joking with me?
I cannot joke with you.
I'm so
Hungry.
You haven't eaten?
The rest, no.
Oh, you were waiting for me.
Yes, I am.
Oh.
Mana?
Ha.
Mana?
Masa 6 tu, Ipan boleh peluang yang apa? Let's begin.
Moki. Moki. Baby.
Retarded.
You are retarded.
Not
Yes.
that. 21.
Teach me the hand thing.
Hey, can you teach me the hand thing? Hey, can you teach me the hand thing? What is cola berry?
Cola berry, cola berry, cola berry day. Thank you.
Pew pew. What
I
is
know what
cola
vroom vroom.
berry?
Mana yang lebih
I'm in my mom's car.
Habis masa
Vroom vroom.
Get out of my car!
No. Ginger nak fish?
dia boleh
Ginger. Ginger? Ginger nak fish?
fish. Fish come here.
Fish come here. He is not a fish. Ginger fish? Ginger nak ikan? Ginger nak ikan? Ginger you want fish? Ginger fish? Ginger fish? Possessed cat. It is midnight right now and I don't have anything else to do. So I think I'm going to end my vlog now. And right now I am watching. My cats are, I don't know what they are doing. But anyways, I am going to end my vlog for today. And I will edit it by tonight and have it uploaded by tomorrow. And right now I am watching, I don't know what I'm gonna watch, but I'm gonna find some movie on Netflix right now. Then I will edit this vlog. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and I will talk to you guys and I will talk to you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.